Hello, welcome to your Finnish lesson. Today we're gonna learn about vowels. I'm sorry for pronouncing vowels like shit. Just not quite sure how to pronounce it. Let's start by learning what vowels we have in Finnish and how to pronounce them. All vowels are always pronounced the same in native Finnish words. You don't need to think about how you pronounce something, it's written phonetically. That makes it easy, right? There is one difference, which is if there's one of a single vowel, like one A, you say a. If there is two of a, you go a. It's a long vowel then. That's easy, isn't it? Okay, let's go through all of the vowels. A in Finnish is a. A. And let's do A with dots next to compare. A with dots in Finnish is a. A. And we have O. O in Finnish is o. O. O with dots is U in Finnish is u. 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 And Y in Finnish is y. Y. E in Finnish is e. E. And I in Finnish is e. E. Let's go through all of them one more time and I'll show you all of the vowels here. We're gonna go in an alphabetical order now. A, E, I, O, U, Y, A, Ö. Okay, great. Why I'm making this video about vowels is so that you can know how to pronounce them, and also there is one grammatical thing related to vowels which is gonna help you learn Finnish a lot. So in Finnish we have concept of back vowels and front vowels. Back vowels and front vowels cannot be in the same word with each other if it's a native Finnish word. This does not apply to loan words. Then there is neutral vowels, which is a third group. Neutral vowels can be in the same word with both back vowels and front vowels. But again, back and front vowels can't be in the same word. The exception here is combination words, but there it's only okay because in combination words you have several words written together and two or more words written together, and the words are still their own separate words, so they just happen to have vowels. There's no reason to start changing the vowels because you combine the words. It's still easy enough to pronounce for the Finns. Okay, so next you probably want to know what are back vowels, what are front vowels, and what are neutral vowels. Back vowels would be a, o, and u. A, o, u. When you say these vowels, you notice that you say them with your tongue kinda in the back of your mouth. A, o, u. Front vowels are a, u, a, u. And here you notice the opposite. Your tongue is in the front part of you. You say these vowels with the front part of your mouth. A, u. And neutral vowels are e and I. E, I. Okay? E, I. That's really simple, and that's pretty much all you need to know about vowels, but you really want to remember this. It's pretty important when you're learning Finnish. So maybe rewatch this video if you didn't quite get everything yet. I wish you the best of luck. I will see you in the next video. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muista tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos. Hei hei. Hei hei.